Hey everyone, I'm just popping on quickly to let you know about a giveaway that I've got running through the month of December. This giveaway is for my YouTube subscribers and there will be two giveaways. The first giveaway will be a £25 gift card for makerssuperstore.com, and that giveaway will be to anybody who is subscribed to my YouTube channel that lives in the UK. The second giveaway will be a ping pong lettering activation card, and this is for anybody that doesn't live in the UK, so anywhere outside of the UK. Now what you have to do to be entered with a chance to win either of these giveaways is you have to go over to my website applelover53.co.uk. You have to click on the ScanNCut tab and then go to the bottom where it says December giveaway. All the terms and conditions and all the details of how you enter either giveaway are all on that page of my website. So just to reiterate, this is for YouTube subscribers only to my channel. It's for the month of December. So you go over to my website at applelover53.co.uk, select the ScanNCut tab, scroll to the bottom and click on the December giveaway tab, and you have to enter between the 1st and the 31st of December 2020. Then on the 1st of January 2021, I will draw a name at random from each of the giveaways, giveaway 1 and giveaway 2, and I will email the person that's won the respective giveaway. You will then have 14 days to reply to my email and respond. If you do not reply to my email informing you that you are a winner of each of the respective prize, that particular prize, if not claimed by the 14th of January, will be redrawn and given to somebody else. So that's for my YouTube subscribers, and that's my December giveaway. Thank you.